Hey everybody, it's your girl Aj back with another YouTube video. Today I am coming to y'all with a wig review. Honey, yes, this is a fall wig for 2020. So let's go ahead and get a look at it. This is the Daily Wig by Outre. I have it in the style Kamala. You can use up to 400 degrees of heat on it, and I got it in the color DR Red Wine. This is a wig that is hand tied with an elastic band. It is just a lace part, so it doesn't have the actual lace front on it. But let's go ahead and get it out of the box. This is the wig straight out of the box. It's beautiful. It's kind of like a loose curl, and the construction is basic. The two combs in the front, the elastic band, and a comb in the back with elastic straps as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get this plopped on because I'm super excited. So as you can see, the color is gorgeous. The curls are so fluffy and gorgeous. What I will say, y'all, is I have a big head and it fits, but baby girl, if you got a big head like me, it's gonna be a tight fit, but it still works. So as you can see, it still comes with the dark root and then fades into the DR Red Wine color. What I'm doing here is just taking some of my powder and applying it to my parting space. As you can see, this is just one part space. I did not pluck it. You can pluck it if you choose to. This kind of really is a wig where you just throw it on and go. So it's very kind of convenient for that. So now that I have it looking a bit more natural, I'm just going to comb it through, and I did get a little bit of shedding, not too much. I think that was about 3 or 4 strands. But other than that, we were good. It is a silky texture, and it's long and part in the middle. Y'all know I'm a sucker for a part in the middle, y'all. Long wig with the curls, honey, yum. So the wig is long. I'm 5'4" and it comes past my boob. It's just some gorgeous hair, y'all. And I believe I only pay like $24 or $26 for this at my local beauty supply store. So it's very affordable. Okay, sis. That's my excited dance, y'all, because I'm super excited about this, okay? So I am going to shift my wig over a bit, and I'm going to do a side part. I'm really not a side part girl, but I wanted to show you guys what it looks like if you did a side part. For you side part chicks out there. But y'all, the side part is cute. I'm feeling the side part too, maybe more than the middle part. I'm not sure, but I think so. So as you see, like I said before, it does not come with a lace front. So I thought, I wonder what it would look like if I brought my own hairs out, because this also doesn't come with baby hairs. So I'm just going to pull my own baby hairs out here. And I'm going to take my Arcani edge control and I'm just going to lay my baby hairs down. I'm not doing it any type of special way. Like I said, you can choose to do this portion or not, up to you. But I'm just going to take some of my hairs out, you know, just kind of slick them down. Hopefully this will make it maybe just a bit more natural looking, but we'll see. And I'm gonna put this bad boy back in place, honey, because we are good to go now. Oh my god, y'all, I love it. This wig is 2 thumbs up for me. It's cute, it's affordable, it's so fall, which y'all know is my favorite time of the year. The color's bomb, the curls is bomb. It's everything. And I'm going to give y'all a quick look at the back, honey, hair flip. The back is long. It comes right above my butt, so it is a nice length. But like I said, it's definitely worth the $25. But as always, y'all, I love y'all so much. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.